Hello, welcome to Mavericks. I'm Geraldine Gray. I'm a Salesforce MVP, and I'm here today to talk to Matt Riley, who's the co-founder and CEO of Swiftype. Matt, please tell us a little about Swiftype and what it can do for Salesforce customers.
Absolutely. So we started the company in 2012, right here in San Francisco, with the goal of helping companies solve search and discovery problems. It turns out that most companies face a search and discovery problem in one way or another, whether it's internally for their employees who are trying to find files and the data that they need to do their day-to-day jobs, or externally for their customers who are trying to find information on their website or in communities published online. So we built a cloud-based software platform that makes it easy for companies to build these search experiences that solve these problems.
So Matt, can you tell me more about Swiftype and what makes it innovative?
Absolutely. So the primary goal of the application is to index all the information that employees have stored in the various cloud-based tools that they use, whether it's Salesforce or Dropbox or Google G Suite or others. We index all that information and make it searchable from one location. What makes it innovative is that we also integrate into your existing workflows. So if you're working inside of Salesforce, we use artificial intelligence technologies to make predictions about what information you might need to help you with the task at hand. So if you have customer information stored partially in Salesforce and partially in some of the other applications that we work with, we'll make predictions and show you the relevant information that you need without you actually having to do a search.
So this is great. Could you give me a couple of examples where users and customers could have success with Swiftype?
Sure, I'll give two use cases, one that is employee-facing and another that is customer-facing. So for the employee use case, I would talk about a customer service agent who's probably working in the Salesforce Service Cloud, and they'll probably be trying to answer tickets or cases. And a lot of the customer information will already be readily available inside of Salesforce, but a lot of customer information also exists inside of Dropbox and Google Drive and is scattered throughout all of these other systems. So what Swiftype does is integrates all of that into one single place so that the employee, the agent, isn't going out and having to search these disparate platforms for the information they need to answer the task or the question at hand, and hopefully makes that process much more efficient for them. For the customer-facing example, I would use the Salesforce community website, where typically you publish knowledge-based articles that help customers answer their own questions. Swiftype would allow you to integrate additional data into your community sites, whether it's information that's published elsewhere on your website or from a database that you don't have direct access to from Salesforce. We pull all of that information together and let you build a powerful search experience that your customers can use to sift through the data and find exactly the answer that they're looking for.
This is really interesting. So if I'm a user, I can search my data across multiple systems without leaving Salesforce. If I'm a customer, you can surface data across multiple platforms without them ever realizing that the data is in disparate sources. Can we take a look at how Swiftype works?
Sure, let's do it. The demo I'm going to show today is for the internal employee use case. Connecting Salesforce to Swiftype requires just a few simple clicks and instantly makes your internal content and knowledge searchable from directly within Salesforce. Swiftype's workflow integrations proactively provide predictive results based on contextual information, allowing you to reference conversations, documents, and other data relevant to the task at hand without ever leaving Salesforce. If you're looking for a specific document, simply head to the Swiftype search tab and enter your query. Instantly, results from all of your connected data sources now appear alongside Salesforce results, providing your team with a unique location to find what they're looking for. All your content is now at your employees' fingertips, keeping them engaged and focused while also being more efficient.
Matt, this is really interesting. If I'm a customer and I want to learn more, where do I go and what do I look for?
So you can find us on the Salesforce AppExchange or come directly to our website at swiftype.com and sign up for a free trial.
Thanks so much for joining us today on Mavericks, Matt.
Thanks for having me.